Another important thing to keep in mind is there's some user specific settings that you're allowed to modify as a user. One of those is the color scheme. So the light scheme is kind of the default scheme. There's also a dark scheme that's optimized for dark knocks. So if you're running in a darkened room or you just don't like the glare of a white background, you can kind of put it into what we call night mode here, and you can use the Batman version of the interface if you want. It's designed to be a per user selection. So as you log in, your user will use the color scheme that you've selected. The other option for color schemes there is actually one that's specifically designed to help people who have red-green color blindness to make sure to differentiate between failures and criticals and OKs in a color scheme that's easier for them to digest and understand. You can also set a custom dashboard for this user. So if you've got a particular view that you want to, use for your users, you can create these views as an administrator, and then users can pick their own, or they can be assigned through the administration interface. You can always preview those as well, and it'll just pop open a picture of however you have that particular dashboard designed. So in this case, I've got an application response time view for my mail application. I've got a tactical overview widget here. I've got top talkers for a particular statistic, in this case, average disk on Windows servers. And then I've got, active incidents, and then a summary of my web and email applications. You can really do a lot with the custom dashboards, and I would encourage you to experiment with them. They're very simple to work with, makes it very, very easy to get kind of just the exact view that you need. So you can see exactly what's going on in your environment without having to hassle around with it a whole lot. It's designed to be really, really simple and easy to use. It's especially powerful in OmniCenter 9 and 9.1, but the custom dashboard stuff was really added several versions earlier, but in 9 and 9.1, we revised it to make it much, much easier to create your own dashboards and get just exactly the views that you need. So I definitely would encourage you to play around with that.